For years, an unwritten law governed the camera market. You had to choose. If you wanted staggering microscopic resolution, files packed with enough detail to print billboards, you had to accept a sluggish, slow-processing body that choked on burst rates and struggled with modern video workflows. High resolution always meant compromise. High resolution always meant waiting. Today, we are breaking down a seismic shift in the optical world. The Sony A7R VI. If you thought the high-water mark of mirrorless engineering had already been reached, prepare to completely recalibrate your expectations. Sony didn't just build an incremental update. They engineered a direct assault on the boundaries of what a full-frame camera can achieve, blending jaw-dropping megapixel counts with blistering sport-tier speed. Make sure you are subscribed and locked in for every single second of this breakdown, because by the time we finish, you will see why this single piece of hardware is forcing every other manufacturer back to the drawing board. Let us address the core of the beast immediately: the sensor architecture. For generations, high-resolution sensors suffered from slow readout speeds, introducing rolling shutter artifacts and limiting continuous shooting. Sony completely shattered that bottleneck by introducing a phenomenal, fully stacked Exmor RS sensor, sitting at roughly 67 megapixels. This isn't just an arbitrary numbers game. A fully stacked architecture means data streams off that silicon with terrifying speed. We are talking about capturing ultra-high resolution images with a staggering amount of dynamic range, holding on to pristine shadow detail and blazing highlight recovery without breaking a sweat. Whether you are stepping out into sweeping landscapes, tracking erratic wildlife across a horizon, or capturing hyper-detailed commercial studio work, the sheer fidelity of every single frame will leave you speechless. Now let us talk about the performance metric that completely changes the game: speed. Historically, if you shot on a high-resolution body, you accepted a crawl of 5 to 10 frames per second. The A7R VI laughs at that limitation. Powered by the next-generation Bion's XR2 processing engine, this machine delivers a blistering 30 frames per second of continuous 14-bit RAW shooting, complete with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Let that sink in for a moment. You are getting 67 megapixels of pure, uncompressed detail thrown at your memory cards at 30 frames a second. It bridges the gap between specialized sports cameras and ultra-detailed landscape systems, creating a true, uncompromising hybrid flagship. And when it comes to tracking your subjects, the intelligence built into this body feels almost unfair. Equipped with an advanced AI processing unit, the autofocus system doesn't just recognize humans, animals, birds, insects, and vehicles. It anticipates them. Even when a subject is a tiny fraction of the frame in complex, cluttered environments, the phase detection coverage locks on with a tenacious grip that refuses to let go. Imagine tracking a fast-moving bird against a complex canopy, or keeping an athlete razor-sharp while they sprint straight toward you, all while recording files containing hundreds of millions of potential pixels of data. It completely eliminates missed shots. Let us transition to the motion side of the equation, because hybrid shooters are about to get spoiled. The video specifications on the A7R VI are nothing short of monstrous. We are looking at uncropped 4K video recording up to 120 frames per second in stunning 10-bit 4:2:2, giving you buttery smooth cinematic slow motion right out of the box. Need even more? It pushes boundaries further with pristine oversampled 8K recording capabilities, delivering a level of sharpness and clarity that redefines what independent